Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic prescription, that is reading and understanding of prescription from pharmaceutics too. So let's discuss what topics to be covered in our today's session are as follows: prescription, reading and understanding of prescriptions. Let's discuss about the definition of prescription. A medical prescription, that is RX, is an order, often in a written form, issued by a qualified healthcare professional, for an example physician and dentist, to a pharmacist or other therapist for a treatment, that is medicine or device, to be provided to their patient. Handling of prescription. It includes receiving, dosage calculation, compounding, finishing, pricing and delivering. First of all, receiving the prescription. Pharmacist should himself receive the prescription. It includes reading the prescription and checking the prescription. Reading the prescription, prescription should be completely and carefully read from top to bottom. Checking of prescription, prescription should be checked for any incompatibility. Then compounding, the ingredients are compounded by accurate method. For weighing, electrical machines should be used. Finishing the prescription, it includes packaging, labeling, rechecking and filling. Packaging. After compounding, packaging of prescription should be done. For the packaging, following containers are used: round vials, oval bottles, wide mouth bottles, colored bottles, collapsible tubes, paper wrappers, dropper bottles. Labeling. The filled container should be suitably labeled. The label should be affixed on the smooth surface of the bottle. Label informations are type of prescription, name, age and sex of patient, date of dispensing, storage condition, name and address of pharmacy. In case of liquid preparation, attach the auxiliary label, shake well before use and route of administration. Rechecking. Each prescription should be rechecked after labeling. Container should be thoroughly polished to remove the fingerprints. Then recording. A variety of prescription files are available which serve to maintain and preserve the original prescription in a numerical order. Then pricing of prescription. The prescription should be priced immediately after receiving it and inform the patient about it. This should be done before starting the compounding to avoid any dispute. Delivering the prescription. There are three types: store delivery, home delivery and mail delivery. So, prescription, reading and understanding of prescription, learning outcomes are: what is prescription and reading and understanding of prescriptions. Thank you.